In today's fast-paced business world, speed and clarity in the sales cycle can make or break a deal. Welcome to Zentegra's YouTube channel. Today we're G-Point to show how we transformed a struggling sales process into a high-performing revenue-driving engine. This is how we helped a sales-driven company streamline its lead-to-cash cycle. Now let's get into the video. Before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss valuable business insights. Now let's look into the problem faced. The company had a great product, a motivated sales team, and a strong market presence, but their internal processes were working against them. Leads were falling through the cracks. Quote, approvals took too long. There was no structured follow-up. Sales and finance teams operated in silos, and this disconnect created bottlenecks that directly impacted revenue. The real issue wasn't the team, it was the lack of a structured end-to-end sales process that aligned everyone involved. Now getting into other phase, discovering the problem and advisory process, Zentegra stepped in not just to fix the symptoms, but to identify the root causes. We began by conducting a complete audit of their lead to cash process. We mapped out how leads were captured, how quotes were generated, who approved what, and how the handoff to finance was happening, or in this case, not happening. Our goal was to uncover gaps, streamline communication, and design a process that was simple, fast, and effective. Next, solution phase. Once we understood the problem, we reimagined the solution. We redesigned the entire lead to cash workflow. Every touchpoint was defined, from the moment a lead enters the system to the moment an invoice is paid. We introduced approval checkpoints with automated triggers. We simplified the quote generation process, making it quick and consistent. And we made sure every department knew their role and had the tools to execute it effectively. No more guessing, no more delays, just a clear, structured process that everyone followed. Next, how we implement it. But a great process only works if it's supported by the right tools and team training. So we implemented automation solutions that removed manual friction, quotes could be generated with a few clicks, approvals were instant, and all data was tracked in one place. More importantly, we trained the team not just on how to use the tools, but on the value of the process itself. Because transformation doesn't happen with software alone, it happens when people adopt and believe in the change. The results we get after implementation is the impact was immediate and measurable. Deal closure speed increased by over 50%. Quotes that used to take 2 to 3 days were now approved and sent out on the same day. Cash flow improved because invoices were triggered instantly. Customers received faster service and internal teams collaborated better than ever. Sales reps were no longer bogged down in admin tasks. They were back to doing what they do best, selling. Now the only question, why Zentegra? At Zentegra, we go beyond giving advice. We roll up our sleeves and become a true extension of your team. From discovering hidden inefficiencies to building the right processes and enabling teams through training and tools, we take a full circle approach to transformation. Our goal isn't just to improve a process, it's to create lasting impact that fuels long-term growth. If your sales team is stuck in a slow, manual, or broken process, it's time for a change. Let us help you turn your lead to cash cycle into a growth engine. Visit Zentegra.com or reach out to our team today because faster deals mean faster growth and we're here to make that happen. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you.